शेफ सानिका उज्ज्वल साठे एंड शेफ देव कासलकर. शेफ सानिका उज्ज्वल साठे, शेफ देव कासलकर, शेफ सुशांत बांडेकर. A big round of applause for three of them, please.
આપણે આ 8 ટીમ મેમ્બર્સ બધા 8 ટીમના ટીમ લીડર્સ અહીંયા આવી ગયા છે. આપણે બે ટાઈપના ચિપ્સ બનાવ્યા છે, 1 અને 2. 4 જણને 1 નો નંબર આવશે અને 4 જણને 2 નંબર આવશે. તો જેને 1 નંબર આવશે એ પહેલા પેન્ટ્રીમાં જશે, વસ્તુ લેશે. જેને 2 નંબર આવશે એ લોકો 5 મિનિટ રહીને જશે અંદર લેવા માટે. તો અંદર બહુ મિક્સ ના થઈ જાય એટલે આપણે એક્ઝેટમાં લેવાય. પહેલી ટીમ પાછી આવશે, પછી બીજી ટીમના મેમ્બર્સ જશે. ઓકે, 5 મિનિટ રહીને જશે લોકો. એમને બનાવવાની બધી વસ્તુઓ પેન્ટ્રીમાં છે. તો એ લોકો પાસે ત્યાં આગળ ટેબલ ઉપર કાંઈ રાખ્યું નથી. બધી વસ્તુ આ સંકલ્પ સ્ટોરમાં લગાડ્યું છે. તો સંકલ્પ સ્ટોરમાંથી એ લોકોની આઈટમ શોધીને લઈને આવશે. બધું મિક્સ કરીને રાખ્યું છે. અલગ અલગ આ ટીમનું અહીંયા એવું નથી. એ લોકોની આઈટમ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીને વેચાણીને લઈને આવવાનું છે. બધાને અમે બાસ્કેટ આપશું. એ બાસ્કેટમાં એ લોકો પોતપોતાની આઈટમ્સ લઈને આવશે. ઓકે, ચલો, ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ, ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ. સંકલ્પ માસ્ટર
is such an overwhelming experience for us that all mates are cooking, and I think we have just many competitions, or I have participated in many conferences, but I have not seen such a energetic men behind the counters actually instead of women. So who said men cannot cook? We are all here and we are all cooks behind the kitchens. So proud to be a maids, and thank you all the women who have trained our maids. So thank you everyone, and we are into the counters now within 5 minutes. I will hand over my mic to the chef, and within 5 minutes we will be there on the counter. Thank you very much for Team Sankalp for inviting us for such an wonderful event, and thank you sir. He explained me about the Team Sankalp, what they are doing from last 20-25 years, and it's a very absolutely good energy. All the women and maids I have seen. So thank you very much sir for gathering maximum number of members. So it's good work. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello. Good evening everyone.
Everyone, come on, say hello.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome first of all you all here presenting and participating in this competition. First of all, this is a great honor to me as well to judge you here on the stage along with the Dev sir, he is a well-known chef, and wish you all the best for your things, and don't worry about anything. If you miss or something, just make sure calm down and concentrate what you are making. Okay, wish you all the best, good luck.
And now, so we have applause. So now, as we have introduced our esteemed panel of judges, it's time to spotlight the only sponsor of Sankalp Group MasterChef program, Arun Bhai Shah, a visionary man with infrastructure who's going to change the face of Sangli. Big round of applause for Arun G. Shah.
संकल्प ग्रुप का हमेशा कुछ न कुछ नया चलता रहता है, और इस समय ये लोगों ने जो नए शेप का जो प्रोग्राम दिया है, तो इसके पीछे इन लोगों की बहुत मेहनत है। मैं एक महीने से देख रहा हूँ, पूरा POD हो, रोज रात को 9 बजे से 1 बजे तक उनका पूरा कामकाज चलता रहता है। तो जो एनर्जी है, तो उसके लिए मैं सलाम करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आपकी एनर्जी को हम सलाम करते हैं, बिकॉज मैंने सुना है यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन टोन। और संकल्प ग्रुप आपने कभी भी, आप हमेशा तत्पर रहे हैं, और हम आपकी इसी सोच और इसी विजन के लिए आपकी सराहना करते हैं। थैंक यू अरुण पोपटलाल जी शाह।
Now we have started the judging the teams, and we are at the counter number 1, Pan Asian. The absolutely fantastic presentation they have done. Along along with live music, as it is from Pan Asian. We loved it. And the theme, actually, I don't know whether they have studied how much they have studied the food, but the way they have presented food on the platter. We are a chef and we are from the professional industry. There is the competition is called Bopus de Or. It's a kind of World Cup all over worldwide. We have arranged the competitions. You can Google it. We found the same presentations like this. It is called platter presentations. Absolutely the number one presentations we have. Now let me see the another counters, but this is the first counter. And the team have done very good job. Absolutely fantastic. What do you say, Chef?
Chef, this is mind blowing. First time I see in this Sangli city, they are very well known and doing like this. You know, this is very appreciable and it's very nice to others as well. See what they are doing. This is Sangli, not the international one.
Chef Sanika will share some words because see, it is the food and where you come up with different kinds of ideas. You put your soul in the food, then only it will come up nicely. So absolutely fantastic. Chef Sanika, share something. Share your thoughts, please.
Okay, so Team Pan Asian, this is absolutely fantastic. The color, the combination, the simplicity, yet so presentable. That's very good. And I'm very surprised about this. That's very good. That's very good. I can see the lots of efforts here.
If you accept the language, I believe we are now at cooking in Thailand. Absolutely fantastic. They have made the Thai green curry and the green Thai curry with jasmine rice and cocktail. We have the limited sauce. The curry is absolutely fantastic. Very nice color combinations. The rice concept also. We have very sticky texture as per the Thailands. And have done absolutely fantastic. The small things they have presented. And I believe if this happens in Sangli, then we are beyond our imagination. So, thank you very much. Nice eye. Now this is called real Fiesta Mexicana. Similarly, by name here we have absolutely good light show. We love it, and the way they have shown the enthusiasm and the welcome they have, the quality of welcome they have done, absolutely fantastic. I am totally now. I'm very emotional now because the way you people are presenting yourself with different kinds of presentations and along with food, absolutely fantastic. And no words, a good team. In cooking competitions, I have represented the Indian team in culinary competitions, but the way you people have काम केलं इथं. They wanted to call for kebab, pulav and everything, but they have come up with very nice concept, that is the pav bhaji with the modern fusion concept. Fondue pot में बनाया है पूरा pav bhaji to maintain the temperature, and it's really hot and very nice concept of presenting different kinds of लवाश ब्रेड बनाया है. उसके साथ में थोड़ा सा ये स्वीट में डाला है ट्रेन का. तो absolutely fantastic, is a good concept. Absolutely stunning and unimaginable, because पाव भाजी ऐसा खाना किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि फौजी पट में डाल के खाना खाएंगे. Good one. And I have seen the presentation what they have theme of fondue. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. एक नंबर है सर. Thank you very much. मैडम आपने जो बनाया ना पापड़ विथ द फील्ड, दैट इज आल्सो एब्सोल्युटली समथिंग विथ न्यू कंसेप्ट. थैंक यू. एक्चुअली प्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो स्ट्रीट फूड के जैसे होना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने कंसेप्ट को स्टक करके रखा है. आपने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि बाबा कि ऐसा सिंपल प्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे तो मार्केट कम हो जाएगा. बट वी एज अ डेट वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैव द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग. एंड जैसा कि मुंबई में दिखा है, जैसा कोई गाड़ी वाला तो इसका प्रेजेंटेशन करेगा नहीं. So that is absolutely, you have stuck with the roots, that is absolutely fantastic. Thank you sir, thank you. Yes. से अभी तो डिनर खत्म करके घर जाना चाहिए था, बराबर बराबर कि नहीं? लेकिन मैं एक सच्चे दिल से बात बोलता हूँ, हमारे इंडस्ट्री में सिंस वी हैव जॉइन होटल मैनेजमेंट, आने का टाइम था, जाने का टाइम किसी ने बताया नहीं, तो उसी के चलते उसी के हिसाब से आप आए का टाइम पे, जाने का टाइम पे आप सोचना नहीं कि कितना बजेगा, ठीक है? तो मैं वुड लाइक टू अनाउंस, एक्चुअली हमको ठीक बताया गया हुआ है कि यहाँ पे कोई फर्स्ट, कोई सेकेंड, कोई थर्ड नहीं होता है, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व किया, इट्स ऑल अबाउट थीम, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन व्हाट वी हैव शोड टुडे। सो खाली ऊपर नीचे नाम हो जाएगा लेकिन उसमें कुछ नंबरिंग नहीं है, सब मेल बात के जो फेस्टिवल बनाया आज, पिजन का फेस्टिवल, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रिमार्केबल इन सांगली। So I would like to thank each and every team members, their volunteers, then Sankalp group, and everyone who have supported each and every single team. See, being as a chef, it is very hard to decide what food we are going to put in competition. अपने बाजू वाला आदमी क्या करेगा, बाजू वाले लोग क्या बनाएंगे, ऐसा सोच के महीना 2 महीना हम लोग प्लानिंग करके जब कंपटीशन में उतरते हैं तभी समझ में आता है कि हम लोगों ने इतना प्रैक्टिस किया लेकिन बाजू वाले ने हमसे ज़्यादा किया, तो थोड़ा सा बात भी हम लोग सोच के हम लोग काम करना चालू करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया क्योंकि सब लोग टीम मिल बात के काम किया। सो एवरीवन एंजॉय इट, इवन वी एंजॉय इट। ऐसा हम लोगों को कभी लगा नहीं कि बाबा कॉम्पिटिशन में हम लोग जजिंग के लिए आए हैं, इट्स जस्ट लाइक family celebrations and we are the part of family celebrations. So thank you everyone. बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। तो नंबरिंग नहीं करेंगे, अलग अलग अवार्ड्स हैं, कुल मिल बांट के हम लोग सब लोग ले लेंगे, अगर कुछ बचा है तो अवार्ड हम लोग लेके जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो अवार्ड चालू होने से पहले शेफ सानिका विल शेयर सम गुड वर्ड्स, देन शेफ बोलेंगे और हम लोग फिर चालू करेंगे अवार्ड सेरेमनी के लिए। थैंक यू।
I would call upon Mr. Arun Popatlalji Shah.
Okay. Best taste from the competition. The award goes to
Halas Thai, Team Halas Thai.
Please join the stage. Thank you.
Now we are going to announce for this presentation here, Pan Asia. Pan Asia team, please come on the stage. Guys, please cheer up to all our participants. Come on.
The team who have spent their lot more time being as a unity to prepare one of the best dish from the world is called lasagna, and the team Italiano. Great teamwork. They have prepared tomato sauce, pesto sauce, pesto sauce, presented lasagna in different manner. And the best creative award goes to none other than who have presented the simple food in very well manner, that is called the fusion of recipes. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हम लोग फ्यूजन बोलते हैं उसको, एक दूसरे का खाना एक दूसरे के पैटर्न पे बना के खिलाना, जो है लेकिन वो है ही नहीं, जो है वो नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ बोल के हम लोग खाना खिलाते हैं उसको फ्यूजन करके बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो द बेस्ट क्रिएटिव आइडियाज गोज टू फौजी बना के दिया, फौजी बनाने का सोचा लेकिन पाव भाजी बन गया, ऐसा कुछ उनका काम था, तो इसलिए उनको हम लोग क्रिएटिव आइडिया करके अवार्ड दे दिया।
Today's creative dish is Pondu kind of pav bhaji.
अभी इनको ही मैं पूछता हूँ कि फौजी बनाने का पाव भाजी बना है।
आज बहुत ही अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन सब लोगों ने दिया था, बस उसमें से भी सबसे बड़ा बेस्ट डेकोर अवार्ड आज अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं। सो टुडेज बेस्ट अवार्ड डेकोर अवार्ड गोज टू चाइनीज काउंटर। प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। Their presentation is very well. They treat our hospitality in Chinese way. Excellent. Please come on the stage.
The next award is Nutritional Healthy Food Award. The Nutritional Healthy Food Award goes to Mediterranean Cuisine, Mediterranean Group, Mediterranean Greek Salads and Tapas. Nutritional Healthy Food Award, Mediterranean Group.
For the next category award, I would like to call upon Kiran Bhai Patel and Dr. Mehta sir. Mr. Kiran Bhai Patel and Dr. Mehta sir, kindly come over the stage and honor the next category award.
कृपा करके थोड़ा सा शांति बनाने के खाली 2 मिनट बाकी है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन प्लीज कृपा करके थोड़ी सी शांति बनाई रहे, लास्ट का 2 मिनट बाकी है। आफ्टर दैट nobody is going to announce anything. Before announcing the last 2 awards, there are 2 teams left, and before that, the person behind me, because of her only I have participated as a part of this most happening competition ever in Sangli. I would like to request her to say something on behalf of Sangli, the SPJs and the event what you people have organized. So Chef Sanika is here from Sangli. Please.
Team Sankalp, what a memorable night it is. But let me tell you one thing. Please do not consider this as a competition. I mean, of course it is. That's why we are here as a judge. But everybody just enjoyed this competition. मैं सबको देख रही थी। मनीषा मैम ने मुझे बताया, नेहा मैम ने मुझे बताया कि जैसे सब 1 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। So hats off to you guys. हर एक की अपनी अपनी जॉब है, बिजनेस है। इन सब के बावजूद भी हर एक ने टाइम निकाला और बहुत सारे एफर्ट दिए हैं जो कि आप में से स्टॉल पे दिख रहे थे। मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं अभी संगली में हूँ, मैं अलग अलग कंट्रीज घूम के अभी स्टेज पर आ गई हूँ। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द एफर्ट एंड द हाई एनर्जी। थैंक यू सो मच। सो बेस्ट ऑल राउंड परफॉर्मेंस इज गोइंग टू टीम मेक्सिका। बेस्ट ऑल राउंड परफॉर्मेंस।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is time to close down the festival of food, the festival of color, the festival of texture, the festival of everything which is there on the plate today. We have seen around hundreds of participants on one floor participating with the best enthusiasm, the best emotions, the best feelings behind of each and every pledge what they have done. So here we are going to close down the ceremony, and before that, अभी आपको 8 टीम थी, 8वां अवार्ड है, किसी को मिला है मालूम है, लेकिन फिर भी the last award है the judges award, the best team, the judges choice award है. सबको मालूम है कि ये क्यों मिला है उनको जजेस चॉइस अवार्ड, लेकिन फिर भी जो जजेस हैं उनको भी थोड़ा सा एक्सप्रेस करने दो उनके टीम के बारे में, उनके प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में, उनके जो क्रिएटिविटी है उनके बारे में. तो शेफ थोड़ा सा आप 2 शब्द में उनके बारे में बोलो, फिर मैडम बोलेंगी, फिर मैं बोल के उनको बुलाता हूँ स्टेज पे.
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए आप सबने बहुत अच्छा कोशिश किया, बट चॉइस अलग चीज़ होती है. हमारा एक लास्ट मोमेंट में हमारा माइंडसेट वीडियो हो गया कि किसको दे ये अवार्ड. हम लोगों ने हर लोगों का मतलब इवोल्यूशन किया, देन वी रिकॉग्नाइज कि दैट वन एंड ओनली बेस्ट अवार्ड एंड जजेस चॉइस अवार्ड गोज टू टीम पंजाब.
लोग एक बार बोल जो बोले सोनिया.
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, thank you to the group and all the voting members that they have given us opportunity. Because last 40 years I had been to surgery, but today I have done the chopping on the vegetables without surgery, without anesthesia. Only thank you judges also who have appreciated us. And now I am too late. I am afraid to go home because with surgery, my message will take me from tomorrow that you the chopping is good, so you do the chopping in home. Thank you very much.
Yes, and hope you all enjoyed. Last but not the least, I would like to call upon our anchor, very much energetic, first to last जो उन्होंने इतना सा बॉल को जो chaos है उसको संभाला, हमको झेला. So this is none other than Watson Maluni. Please come to the stage and please give a big round of applause to her to bear with us.
और संकल्प ग्रुप के लिए आई वुड से ओनली दिस थिंग कि मैंने ऐसा ग्रुप कहीं नहीं देखा. फ्रॉम द डेकोर, फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंटेशन, फ्रॉम द एंथुसियाज्म, एंड वो लोग रेस्पेक्टफुली होकर आए हैं एज पर द टीम. एक्सप्लिसिट, स्पेक्टेकुलर एंड एक्चुअली इनक्रेडिबल टीम वर्क. Superb team. Hats off to Sankalp Group, and I'm grateful to be a part of this competition. Thank you.
Accept the small token. And here we end with our judges. Please give a big round of applause to all the judges again. They have done a mind-blowing experience, whatever they have delivered. With their great choices, it was all unbiased and it was very perfect, very perpetual. I think all of you enjoyed this show. Sankalp always gives a big platform. So go lucky, go happy with all your certificates. You deserve the best boys. हमको भी खाना बनाना आता है.